Good afternoon, everyone. I'm back, Dr. Dadruan, once again. Okay, we are here attending the Business Continuity Plan webinar sponsored by DTI, SCCDC, and of course, Dole. And here is, what's your name?
Francis.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Francis from Dole Beach Board, and with me is Mark. I'm his facilitator
Okay, from where are you?
from Tuguegarao City.
Wow, so
Hello po sa vlog ni Mother.
okay, bye-bye. See you. Okay. And of course, our participants from Simsir CC. Hi. Hello. Beth. Here also from anong co-op mo na? Elak. Say? MPEC. Mananahi. Oy, tahiin mo yung ako, maluwag. And of course, from about you, ma'am. Anong product nyo? Okay. Dapat every time na may seminar, magdala kayo para makita namin and then we will buy. Okay? From here, mga yellow, mga dilawan.
Radio Plazalet po.
Yeah. Anong pangalan mo? Gemma.
Era.
Ayan. Nako, mga Lady of Plazalet. Okay. Mga mayayaman na
Hindi po, dilaw lang talaga.
Oy, mag-intermission daw kayo. And of course, this one?
From Buena Vista MPC po.
Peanut. Nagdala ka sana ng peanut adobo. Ikaw?
Mariko. Hello.
Saan?
Sosi.
Sosi. Okay, sana wala naman si Lucena. Kaya, mo? Imbitahin mo. Next?
From PUMGG, Region 2 Rescue.
Rescue. Same?
Same doctor.
Okay, thank you. Hello. And here, sa registration table, ayan, anong pangalan mo?
Hello po, ako si Don Search from DTI Santiago.
DTI Santiago. Parang nagkita na tayo,
Parang mapamilyar.
Doon sa doon tungkol sa pinapaano ko doon sa Miguel Ramon. Alala mo?
Ay, yung sa may balay na Santiago po ata.
Sige, okay. And of course, yung unang sa akin, sayang.
Hi, do.
Hi. Sayang, hindi na on. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for cooperating with me.